In IBM Planning Analytics for Microsoft Excel, creating and replacing an Expiration view using a view is easy. To begin, open the IBM Planning Analytics task pane. Now log on to a TM1 system and open the data source which contains the view. Expand the Views folder. Right-click your desired view, then click Exploration, and then select where you want your Expiration view to be created. In this demonstration, I'll create mine on a new sheet. And as we can see, an Expiration view is created. Another method involves using a blank Expiration view. You can create a blank Expiration view by clicking the Expiration icon located in the IBM Planning Analytics ribbon. Now you can drag a view from the task pane into the worksheet and an Expiration view will be created. By dragging a view onto a list, you can also convert a list to an Expiration view. Simply open the worksheet containing your list, and then drag a view from the task pane onto the list. If you don't like the Expiration view you've just created, you can replace an existing Expiration view by dragging another view on top of it, or by right-clicking a view and then clicking Replace Expiration. And that's it. That's how you create and replace an Expiration view using a view.